So today we are going to learn about it. Properties of whole numbers, in which first addition. For addition we have five properties: closure, commutative, associative, additive identity and additive inverse. So let me start with the first closure property. What closure property for whole numbers say that when we add any two whole number and if we get answer is also whole number, then we can say that this property is closed under addition for whole number. So let me take example: a is equal to 7 and b is equal to 3. These both are the whole number. So let me add 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So 10 is also whole number. So from this we can say that that closure property is closed under addition for whole number. Now let me check for the second one, that is commutative property for addition. What commutative property says? Okay, for any two whole number a plus b is equal to b plus a. Let me try to prove it that let me take example: a is equal to 7 and b is equal to 3. Let me try to prove it with the concept of left hand side and right hand side. So this part we call left hand side and this part we call right hand side. So that left hand side is a plus b, that means 7 plus 3, that means 10. The right hand side is b plus a, that means 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Here you can see that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, and from this you can say that a commutative property is closed for under addition for whole number. Now let me discuss about associative property. What associative property says? Okay, for any three whole number, let me take that three whole number a, b and c, then a plus bracket b plus c bracket over is equal to bracket a plus b bracket over plus c. What it mean to say कि हम पहले b और c को ऐड करें और उसका आंसर a के साथ ऐड करें, या पहले हम a और b को ऐड करें और उसका आंसर c के साथ ऐड करें. दोनों केस में अगर आंसर सिमिलर आते हैं तो associative property is closed under addition for whole number. Let me check it. It is or not? And for that let I take example: a is equal to 7, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 1. Let me use the concept of left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side is equal to a plus bracket b plus c. Here the a is 7 plus 3 plus 4. So first we add this both. So 7 plus 4, that answer is 11. The right hand side is bracket a plus bracket over c. The first a plus b, that means 7 plus 3 plus 1. So first we add both this. 7 plus 3 10 plus 1 11. Here you can see that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. From this we can say that the associative property is closed under addition for whole number. Now let me discuss another two property, that is additive identity and additive inverse. Now what is the meaning of additive identity? That means if suppose I have a whole number as a, so I have to add something with this whole number. From that I get answer again as that only. समझ में आया? एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं. If suppose a is 7, तो 7 में मुझे कुछ ऐसा नंबर ऐड करना है तो आंसर क्या है? 7 आए. तो ऐसा कौन सा होल नंबर है जो इसमें ऐड कर सकते हैं? दैट इज 0. दैट मीन्स हम किसी भी होल नंबर के साथ 0 को ऐड करते हैं तो हमारा आंसर वही होल नंबर आता है. सो फ्रॉम दिस वी कैन से दैट the additive identity is 0. Now for the additive inverse, what additive inverse property say कि हम suppose if I have a whole number as a, अब इस whole number के साथ मैं कोई एक ऐसा नंबर ऐड करूं कि जब मेरा सॉल्यूशन जो आंसर आए वो 0 आए. So that simply we get understood like that इस a के साथ कौन सा नंबर ऐड करो तो 0 आएगा, तो क्या नेगेटिव है. समझ में आ रहा? नहीं. चलो एक एग्जांपल से समझते हैं कि if suppose a is 7, if suppose a is 7 और 7 में ऐसा कौन सा नंबर ऐड करेंगे तो 0 आएगा? -7. ठीक है, तो दिस इज 7 प्लस ऑफ -7 इज इक्वल टू 0. समझ में आया? तो फ्रॉम दिस सिंपली वी कैन से दैट कि व्हाट इज इनवर्स कांसेप्ट. अगर हमें इनवर्स का क्वेश्चन पूछा जाए कि सपोज अगर आपको पूछा हो कि राइट डाउन द इनवर्स ऑफ 7, दैट इज negative 7. If suppose ask for the negative 8, the inverse of negative 8 is positive 8. From this we can conclude that additive inverse is पॉजिटिव नंबर होता है तो उसका नेगेटिव नंबर वो उसका एडिटिव इनवर्स होता है, अगर वो नेगेटिव नंबर होता है तो उसका जो पॉजिटिव नंबर होता है वो उसका एडिटिव इनवर्स होता है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ होल नंबर फॉर subtraction in which closure, commutative and associative. Let us start with the closure property. What closure property says that when we subtract any two whole number a and b, if the answer is also whole number, then we can say that this property is closed under subtraction for whole number. Let me try to prove. Okay, if I take example के तौर पे a is equal to 7 and b is equal to 3, and if I do a minus b is equal to 7 minus 3 is equal to 4, and 4 is whole number. So from this example I think like that कि हाँ this property is closed, but I have doubt on it. Okay, like अगर मेरा here the thing is like that first number is greater than the second number. But अगर the first number like that, if I take example a is 3 and b is 7, so what happened as a minus b, that is 3 minus 7, which gives as answer negative 4. About the negative answer will run in integer. As of now you have just understood this for as for subtraction property. So now this is minus 4, and minus 4 is not whole number. As you know that in whole number we consist from 0 to all the positive integer. Negative integer cannot be included in the whole number. That means this statement is not proved at here. So from this we can say that the closure property is not closed under subtraction for whole number. Now let me check for the commutative property. What commutative property said that a minus b is equal to b minus a. That means कि for any two whole number हम उसको किसी भी order में subtract करें हमारा आंसर similar आना चाहिए. Let's try. If I take a is equal to 7 and b is equal to 3, let me do left hand side. A minus b, that means 7 minus 3, that get 4. But the right hand side is d minus a, that means b is 3 minus 7, which get minus 4, which is not similar to what we get. Left hand side does not equal to the right hand side. So from this we can say that commutative property is not closed under subtraction for whole number. Now let me check for the associative property. So now what is the statement of the associative property is that for any three whole number a minus bracket b minus c bracket over is equal to bracket a minus b bracket over minus c. If we prove this, then we said that the associative property is closed under subtraction for whole number. Let me try it. Let I take a is equal to 7, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 1. Let I get first left hand side. That is a minus bracket b minus c. So here 7 minus 3 minus 1. Then 7 minus here 2. The 7 minus 2 is 5. What right hand side said that a minus b minus c. Here the a is 7 minus 3 minus 1. 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Here you can see that this 5 and this is 3. From this we can say that the left hand side does not equal to the right hand side, and from this we can say that the associative property is not closed under subtraction for whole